This is lesson 15.13. We are drawing tangent lines. It says move the yellow dot on the upper left corner of the screen in order to make a line tangent to the given function when x equals 7. Zoom in to make a more precise tangent line. So basically saying here at 7, let's make a line by dragging this yellow point here that's not at 7 and trying to get it to be pretty close to how this is. What they've got here is this same little window. See this gray little box? It's this just zoomed in. So we can actually zoom in, and I see that my orange line's not quite on the black. So let's do that, and I'm still off just a little bit. See how my orange line's above the black? So I'm gonna zoom in some more, and then I'm gonna move this a little more. That's pretty good. So what's happening here is something, again, that's curved. When we really zoom in, it becomes almost a straight line. So let's go ahead and hit submit. So that's all you're doing. There's no math to it. You're just trying to get a picture to match. So that's if it has a diagonal tangent line. And a tangent line is just it touching in one spot. Here's a semicircle. And see how this point here, it looks like it's at the top. So again, I would want to try to get this somehow to line up, and I'm going to really zoom in really until that line is so zoomed in that it looks straight. And then I'm going to move this, and so this makes a horizontal line. So this has a horizontal tangent line at x equals -1. So the slope is 0 at that instant. Okay. And then let's try a vertical. So this is a cube root function because it makes this S curve. I recognize it from one of the posters on my wall. And so again, let's go ahead and just zoom in on this S. What happens here in a cube root function is a line, it becomes so steep here in the middle that we actually need to make our tangent line be vertical. And we did. And so that's all you're doing is just really playing around with it until you get the orange line to match right on top of the black line.